Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Aurora Online Classes. Dear students, today I am here with a few questions, and I'll discuss all these questions with you. And all these questions which I am going to discuss right now, actually, they are from your lesson, The Proposal. And actually, I have taught this lesson, I have finished your book, I have finished both the books, First Flight and Footprints Without Book. So I have a few questions. So let's discuss one by one. Dear students, the first question is who are Lomov and Chubukov and how are they related to each other? Try to get the meaning. Who are Lomov and Chubukov and how are they related to each other? We have studied that Lomov and Chukobov are landlords and they are neighbors of each other. So Lomov and Chubukov are landlords, they are the landowners and they are the neighbors of each other. एक दूसरे के पड़ोसी हैं, ये landlords हैं, जमींदार हैं. They are neighbors too, as I said that they are neighbors of each other. And according to Lomov, he has been coming to Chubukov for help. Chubukov has helped him even earlier. There seems to be a dispute, but there is a problem. There seems to be a dispute. Dispute means quarrel, conflict, jhagda janjat. So actually there seems to be a dispute over the ownership of Oxen Meadows. So this is, Oxen Meadows is the piece of land on which both Lomov and Natalia claim their ownership. And each one claims that the land belongs to him. Lomov is interested in marrying Chubukov's daughter. And who is Chubukov's daughter? Natalia is Chubukov's daughter. So Lomov is interested in marrying her. Lomov wants to marry Natalia. And Natalia happens to be Chubukov's daughter. So actually Lomov considers her a suitable match for him. A suitable match for him. Now the second question is, why does Lomov come to Chubukov? How does Chubukov reach to his visit? Lomov, a landlord, as I have said, that Lomov and Chubukov, they are landlords, they are neighbors too. So Lomov, a landlord, one evening he pays a visit to Chubukov. One evening Lomov pays his visit to Chubukov, and the purpose of his visit is quite clear. He has come with a proposal of marriage. He is interested in marrying Natalia, whom he considers a good housekeeper, educated and good looking girl. But Chubukov misunderstands the purpose of Lomov's visit. Chubukov misunderstands the purpose of Lomov's visit. Chubukov thinks that he has come, Lomov has come to borrow money from him. But this was not the purpose of his visit. However, when he comes to know, when Chubukov comes to know that Lomov has come with a marriage proposal, but he comes to know later on. At first, Chubukov misunderstands the purpose of Lomov's visit. And he thinks, Chubukov thinks that Lomov has come to borrow money from him. But after that, after some time, Chubukov comes to know that Lomov has come for some other purpose. Lomov has come for the purpose of, Lomov has come with a purpose of marrying Natalia. Means Lomov has come with a marriage proposal. So when Chubukov comes to know that Lomov has come with a marriage proposal, he becomes extremely happy. He is overjoyed and excited. Question number 3. Why is Chubukov surprised? Why is Chubukov surprised at Lomov's wearing of a formal dress when he comes to meet him? Why is Chubukov surprised at Lomov's wearing of a formal dress when he comes to meet him? So why is Chubukov surprised at Lomov's wearing of a formal dress when he comes to meet him? Lomov is well dressed, we know, and he comes to visit Chubukov. Chubukov notices his dress, and Chubukov is surprised to see Lomov wearing a dress jacket and white gloves. Means he is in a formal, means Lomov is in a formal evening dress. It appears as if he were paying a New Year's Eve visit. Only later on, Chubukov comes to know that Lomov has come in that formal dress only with a proposal for marriage. So the purpose of coming in a formal evening dress was with a proposal for marriage with Natalia. Next question 4. How does Chubukov react when he comes to know that Lomov has come with a proposal of marrying his daughter Natalia? Understood? At first he misunderstands the purpose of his visit, but soon the misunderstanding is cleared. Chubukov comes to know that Lomov has not come to borrow money. Instead, he has come with a proposal of marrying his daughter Natalia. Then he is extremely happy to hear it. And then this is exactly what he wants. So this is exactly what he wants. Actually, Chubukov wanted that both Lomov and Natalia should get married. And when he comes to know from Lomov that he has come with a marriage proposal with Natalia, he is overjoyed and excited. And then what does he do? Then Chubukov embraces and kisses Lomov, and he calls him darling and angel. He tells Lomov that he has been hoping it for a long time and he is ready to bless both of them. Means Chubukov is ready to bless both Natalia and Lomov. And actually Chubukov tells Lomov that if you have come with such a fine proposal, this is the day for which I have been waiting for a long time. It was my earnest desire that my daughter Natalia should get married with you. Next question is, why does Lomov think that he should not be alone? Very important question. Why does Lomov think that he should not be alone but marry a suitable woman like Natalia? What makes him think like that? So why does Lomov think that he should not be alone but marry a suitable woman like Natalia? Lomov, is a middle-aged man of 35 years. And he was Chubukov's neighbor. He was also a rich man. He thinks that it is a critical age. 35 is a critical age for marriage. He should now think of leading a peaceful and regular married life. So who wants to lead a peaceful and regular married life? Actually, Lomov wants to lead a peaceful and a regular happy married life. And for this, he wanted to marry Natalia. And Natalia, who is Natalia? Natalia, the daughter of a rich landlord. And who was a rich landlord? Chubukov is a rich landlord, and Natalia was his daughter. So Natalia, the daughter of a rich landlord and neighbor Chubukov, can be a suitable life partner. So he thought that Natalia could be a suitable life partner, suitable better match. So Natalia can be a suitable life partner for him. Lomov thinks that Natalia is an excellent housekeeper. She finds so many merits in Natalia. He finds that Natalia is an excellent housekeeper. She can manage everything properly. Moreover, she is educated and good looking. So what more he wants? He wants such a life partner who can keep the household activities in a proper way, who should be an excellent housekeeper. Apart from an excellent housekeeper, she was educated and good looking too. So all these qualities were in Natalia, and Natalia's qualities made her think or impressed him, and that is why he wanted to marry Natalia. So all these qualities qualify Natalia is an ideal life partner for him. She was an excellent housekeeper. She was educated and good looking. All these qualities prove that Natalia can be a very good match for him. She could be an ideal life partner for Lomov. So dear students, today I have discussed 5 questions. I have discussed the answers to 5 questions, and all these questions from this chapter proposal are very important from the examination point of view. I hope whatever I have explained, whatever I have discussed it today, I hope you must have understood it. Thank you very much, dear. And in my next class, I'll come with some more important questions of this chapter, isn't it? Till then, be happy, stay blessed. Thank you very much. That's all for today.